don't understand what's going on. So lost right now. What's going on? I don't even fucking understand.
H. Lopez hiccup recipe. Passed down from
got a voodoo magic?
Lopez. For hiccups?
Did your voodoo magic work?
It works? What does the napkin do?
Nobody knows. Why don't you just put the knife in the cup?
Well, hiccups is that the way you breathe.
The irregularity in breathing.
Exactly. And what it does is it triggers to do it again, kind of thing.
The napkin does?
You're having to work hard to get the water in.
What I'm doing is resetting my system, basically. I'm trying to rechange it. I'm making it rethink so that
Dr. Lopez. Dr. Lopez.
It worked, did it not?
The hiccup cure by Dr. Lopez.
Like that, I'm gonna call you.